Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And in today's episode, I am reviewing the USB Microphone Kit. It is the Condenser podcast streaming cardioid microphone, and it comes with stand and shock mount. First of all, I want to thank Maono Marketing for reaching out to me to send me this review unit for the channel. Even though I did receive this unit for free, all opinions expressed in this video are my own. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you how to put it together, set it up, as well as do some voice samples with the recording of this microphone, adjusting the gain from 0, 50 to 100%, and how does it sound. So if you find this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. Let's get to the unboxing of the Maono desktop USB microphone set. And this model here is AU-PM421T, Professional Audio Innovation. So let's take a look. All right, so this is what was in the box. First is a metal stand for the microphone, a foam, the microphone foam cover or the pop filter that's on there. It's all wrinkled up because it was just the way it's packaged. The USB Type A plug-in to the microphone and into your computer. This is the shock mount that it comes with. So this is the shock mount. It can pivot depending on how your setup is. If you have a boom arm like I do, you can actually screw this on and then pivot to the way you want it to. But for this demonstration, I'm going to stick it on the provided stand. The shock mount is made of plastic. It's not metal. There's some foam lining inside here for the microphone so it doesn't scratch it, which is nice. And in terms of the elastic, it is almost yeah, it should do the job. I mean, these elastics are similar to what you find in bungee cords. So that's, well, I guess we'll find out how well it does. And then let's take a closer look at the microphone here. So this is the Maono microphone. It has the mic gain on the front. You can lower it or increase it. The USB plug-in at the bottom. This is nice and hefty. This is nice and metal. The screen is metal as well, and the screen's metal at the top as well. But there's a bit of heft to it, which is good. There's a sticker here, so you can take that off. All right, so let's take a closer look at the pop filter. So the pop filter here is all plastic, encased in plastic. This is fabric mesh. There's some elasticity to it, so it's not like a metal screen pop filter. You just have to be careful of this so you don't put a hole in it. It bends, so it allows you to kind of angle it how you want to. And then the clamp here is plastic, but does have a piece of foam here to prevent it from scratching the microphone stand. So now I'm going to put all the pieces together. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to screw in the mic stem into the mic base. And the mic base is heavy, so it won't teeter back and forth, which is nice. Next, I screw in the shock mount. I adjusted it into place. And then the shock mount has two clips. So you just have to compress the clips for you to fit the microphone in there. So that's what I did here. And then I also attached the foam pop filter on top as well. And this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to attach the pop filter. And you just kind of screw it into the stem and put it into place. Just bend it so it covers the front of the microphone. And all it took about a minute to put together. So again, very easy to set up. This is what I sound like 2 inches from the pop filter. This is what I sound like 5 inches from the pop filter. And this is what I sound like about a foot away from the pop filter. And right now, the gain is set at half. All right, so if I was to move closer and I adjust the gain up, So this is what I sound like with the gain all the way up. As you can hear that I'm clipping because it's all the way up. And then if I move back to the middle, this is what I sound like and back in the middle of the gain, back to -18. I'm going to read off some features listed on the website for this microphone. It's a built-in professional sound chipset and 16mm electric condenser transducer. The proprietary capsule delivers full, rich body detail sound, while the premium converter enables high-resolution 192 kHz 24-bit audio recording direct to your computer. Well suited for podcasting, game streaming, Skype calls, vocals, instruments, and cardioid mode capture sound sources that are directly in front of the microphone. Microphone boom is made of aluminum alloy microphone and zinc alloy boom arm, high quality metal shock mount to isolate the USB mic from noise, shock, and ambient vibration. It is plug and play compatible. This microphone has a data port easy to connect with computers. No need for extra driver software, no need for an external sound card. And if you do purchase this, it comes with a 12-month warranty. Alright, so this is what the microphone sounds like. Here are my final thoughts of the Maono Condenser Microphone Desktop Kit that I'm using right now. In terms of recording my voice and the sound quality of hearing it back, I have to say it sounds a lot better than my Rode Shotgun NTG microphone boom mic, which I have up here. It's out of camera. I was using that part for my video here. And listening on my monitor headphones, the voice coming out of this is a lot better. It sounds richer, it sounds deeper, it sounds a little bit more bass when I use this microphone versus my Shotgun NTG microphone, which I previously used. And honestly, that microphone is $200 more than this microphone, and I think this one sounds a little bit better, but I think the purposes might be a little bit different. In terms of the build quality, I'm pretty impressed with the build quality. Again, the base is all metal. It kind of keeps it standing there. As I wiggle this around, you can see I'm not afraid of it tipping over. In terms of like the alloy and the plastic picks, I think as long as you kind of keep it in one place, I think it'll be fine. As long as you're not kind of moving it around and banging it around, which you won't be, I think it's fine. In terms of the shock mount, it does its job. I think it's working quite fine. There are two things I wish there was different about this microphone. The first one is I wish the stand could raise a little bit higher. It is adjustable, and I've already raised it to the max height. And as you can see, I'm kind of slouched over talking into the microphone. And if I was taller, I think it'd be even more of a slouching motion that you have to kind of talk into it. And I'm only 5'9", so I'm pretty short. I just wish that you can raise this up a little bit higher so I can feel a bit more relaxed here as I'm kind of talking into the microphone. So the second thing I wish was different was I wish this had a 3.5mm jack built into the microphone. It would be nice to be able to plug in my monitor headphones directly into the microphone to hear in real time and directly what my voice sounds like, so I can adjust my pitch and the gain that's on the microphone. Right now my headphones are plugged into my Focusrite preamp, and so there's a bit of latency when I'm watching the video in terms of me talking, and it sounds a bit echoey too because of the latency, and so it's hard for me to make the adjustments when it's not directly monitored from the microphone. So those are the two things that I wish were a bit different, but overall in terms of the price point, right now this is $90 Canadian for this full setup. And like I mentioned before, I actually think it sounds better than my right here, my $325 Rode NTG video shotgun microphone that I have mounted on a boom that I've been using. And so and then you also get a mic stand as well. So overall, I would definitely recommend this product. What I am going to do is I'm going to leave Amazon links below if you want to check it out, if you want to consider purchasing it. If you have any questions or comments about this microphone, please leave it in the comments below and I will get back to you. Alright guys, that's it. That is my video for today. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time.